Hello friends, in this video we are learning how to maintain actual and billed quantity on your purchase. Where you are buying for 10 goods, you may get 2 additional. So your stock which you are buying actually is a 12, but you are paying for only 10 because there are 2 quantity free for 10. So actual quantity is the quantity which gets reflected into stock, and the billed quantity is the quantity which are being used for the billing purpose. So let's understand in deeper way so you can understand it clearly. So these are the options you need to enable in Tally. They are not by default active. So to activate these options, we have to go into F11, then inventory features. Let's first come into Tally. We go into F11 and then inventory features. The shortcut for inventory features is F2. You can either press F2 or go into inventory features. Now there is one option, it says use separate actual and billed quantity column, which we have to mark it as a yes. Now accept the screen. Now let's enter the purchase transaction. Now entering purchase transaction, we have to go to accounting voucher and then F9 purchase. Now you see there are 2 columns for the quantity. One says actual and other says billed. We change the date and enter all the necessary details as we have to enter. So first we change the date by F2. We put the supplier invoice number. We put the party account name. Now we follow the steps. Stock item, then go down and then quantity. So we have to enter 2 different quantity. One was actual quantity, another is a billed quantity. So we are buying 400 items, but out of 400 the supplier has invoiced only 380 items. The rest of 20 items may be extra because of scheme or discount or any reason. So we enter all the steps as it is showed into the Tally video. Now we go into the second item. Select the item, put the go down, then quantity, rate and discount. Here we are actually buying 600 quantity, but the supplier is billing only for 560. So our stock gets increased by 600 quantity, but in this invoice we are only billing 560. So 40 we are receiving as a free quantity or samples or whatever. Now we enter tax as GST and then CGST. So you'll see the total amount is similar, and we accept the purchase entry. Now in similar fashion we have to enter the sales entry. So for entering the sales transaction we go into accounting voucher and then F8. So in sales also we have 2 columns for quantity. One is actual and one is billed. Select first party account, then sales, then we put the item name. Then go down. Then we are putting actual quantity, the quantity which we are selling to the customer, and the quantity which we are billing. So we are billing only 180. We enter actual quantity 300 and then bill quantity 280. That means 20 quantity we are supplying without charging anything. We put the text portion and accept the sales transaction.